Hi guys, good evening. How are you all? Market had a sharp recovery today. और मेरे रडार पे एक ऐसा स्टॉक है जिसमें कि एक बहुत जबरदस्त बाइंग आ रही है और उसका रीजन बहुत स्ट्रांग है, राइट? एक तो हम मैं जब भी बात करती हूँ तो इस ऐसे बात करती हूँ कि वो स्टॉक हम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं या बाय करते हैं जिसमें एफ आई आईज एंड डी आई आईज अपनी पोजीशंस बढ़ा रहे हैं, राइट? तो कौन से ऐसे स्टॉक्स हैं जिसमें एफ आई एस डी आई एस अपनी पोजीशन को बढ़ाते हैं? वो स्टॉक जिनकी ऑर्डर बुक स्ट्रांग हो, जिनकी वैल्यूएशन चीप हो, जिनके पास कोई कंपटीशन ना हो, राइट? और जो किसी उनके सामने कोई बैरियर ना हो, ऐसा स्टॉक जो है एफ आई एस डी आई एस अपने पोर्टफोलियो में इंक्रीज करते हैं। तो गाइज मैं बात कर रही हूँ एक स्टॉक की जिसको मैं डिटेल में बात करूंगी। बहुत चीप वैल्यूएशन पे अवेलेबल है और ऑर्डर बुक जो है इसकी ओवरफ्लो कर रही है। और जो इन्होंने अपना ऑर्डर फ्लो है वो इनका रेवेन्यू से भी बहुत ज्यादा है। करते हैं उस स्टॉक के बारे में बात, और वो प्रेजेंट करने के लिए आई टेक यू टू माय स्क्रीन। आई एम योर होस्ट डॉक्टर सीमा जैन। आई एम अ सेबी रजिस्टर्ड रिसर्च एनालिस्ट. आई एम पार्टनर विद Zerodha of Stocks, Fires and Asta Trade, and I am chief mentor and founder of stockpro. So here we begin about this company. In case you want to reach out to my team, here are the details. Please feel free. In case you're finding any difficulty, you can't put the आपको order लगाने में issue है, या आपका stop loss लगाने में issue है, या आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है about stock market buying, selling, or please contact my team. And also you can follow me on various platforms. You can follow me on my Telegram group, which is stockpro underscore official underscore bank nifty. I'm one of very few SEBI registered research analysts who are on Telegram. And otherwise you will find all fake people which have no qualification, no authentication. They are available on Telegram. So please be careful when you follow such people. You can also come to my YouTube channel where I have posted about 800 plus YouTube videos, learning videos, and almost on a daily basis I'm posting videos. So let's start with our work. And here I am with you. We're going to be talking about a stock, right? So here we begin. A defensive bet that offers growth, right? This particular stock is going to offer you growth, right? Uh, what is strong with a strong balance sheet and quality business, this stock may have strong earnings, right? तो अगर किसी स्टॉक में स्ट्रॉन्ग अर्निंग आ रही है, क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं? दो चीजें, एक तो बैलेंस शीट बहुत स्ट्रांग है और बिजनेस बहुत क्वालिटी का है. इट्स नॉट अ रैंडम वर्क दैट दे आर डूइंग, और या कोई बहुत चीप क्वालिटी वर्क कर रहे हैं. दे आर वर्किंग फॉर इंडियन डिफेंस, राइट? So strong earnings and inflow and a huge pipeline to support growth. Earnings to see strong growth led by higher scale and margins, and stock available at a good valuation, right? Within the defense sector, I'm talking about this stock called BEL, or Bharat Electronics, is a dominant and key player and hence ready to capitalize on the opportunities. अब किस की तरह की opportunities इस stock के पास आई है? एक तो इसका एक बहुत बड़ा segment है, वो है defense का segment. अब होता क्या है कि ज्यादातर हमको जो डिफेंस की सप्लाईज थी वो रशिया से आ रही थी. And with this, all these sanctions on Russia, what is happening? We will be making a lot of things under the Make in India scheme. A lot of defense products will also be manufactured in India. So besides that, companies the biggest beneficiary of government's indigenation programs such as Make in India initiative. Recent import restrictions on over 100 defense related products is also going to support them, and their order book is growing like anything, right? अगर आपके पास orders है, right, आप year on year आप growth देख सकते हो, right? Because company किस पे चलती है? अगर उनके पास orders आएंगे, company के पास order आएंगे, company उन order को बनाएगी और deliver करेगी और उसके ऊपर अपना product profit बनाएगी, right? अगर ऑर्डर बुक सॉलिड है, कई जैसे कोविड के टाइम में क्या होता, ऑर्डर बुक थोड़ी सी डाइल्यूट हो गई थी, लोगों के पास ऑर्डर्स नहीं थे, काम नहीं था. अब काम है तो प्रॉफिट आएगा, राइट? ऑर्डर बुक grew 15% in year-on-year basis to 56,600 crore, which is more than 4 times their annual revenue, right? which is again a very, very important point. And also to be noted, order book is lifetime high. So this is expected to grow further with the opening up of the defense market and certain key large projects about to be awarded to the company, right? Post-COVID influenced economic hardship last year. Large programs such as QRSAM, which is worth 30,000 to 40,000 crores, MRSAM, which is 20,000 crore, Akash, which is 4,500 crore. These are all defense projects which are also getting offered to them. The company is expecting a substantial growth in order flow from fiscal 2024 onwards. Besides this, the company is looking to increase revenue from the non-defense portfolio. So defense is one portfolio and non-defense is going to be this other part of portfolio. They are going to be manufacturing, in railways, medical, metros, e-charging, EVM, and many other, which will continue to support growth. The management is focusing on improving the execution. So meanwhile, in the medium term, barring the semiconductor issue, which could impact revenue in the fourth quarter of the current fiscal, overall improvement in execution and speed of collection is good from the earnings. So for instance, in December quarter, the company reported a good 62% year-on-year growth in the revenue, right? This reflects improving execution and some of the non-defense segment helping higher growth. So this particular company, this particular stock is actually expecting a strong recovery. The management's confidence level is high with a strong order book and improving execution. It has guided to a strong pickup in fiscal 2023 with revenue growth expected to be 15 to 17%, right? This along with the expected improvement in margins led by good product mix, higher scale, contribution from high value products and cost control will ensure that earnings growth over the 2 to 3 years would be even better, right? Valuations and outlook. So how would now अब बात आती है कि order flow अच्छा है, management अच्छा है, कंपनी के वैल्यूएशंस कैसे हैं? हाउ नॉर्मली क्या होता है जहाँ पे ऑर्डर फ्लो ऑर्डर बुक बहुत स्ट्रांग होती है, the valuations are very, very expensive always, right? But at this point of time, if you look at the valuation of the stock, it is very, very reasonable. I'm going to show you in a short while with the help of my graph, right? So what it says, more than the defensive nature of the business, with a strong balance sheet and quality of business, the market should be looking at a strong earnings visibility. With closer to 15% EBITDA margins, ROCE at 22%, cash in books and strong order book, 4 times annual revenue, and the stock definitely deserves attention, especially after the recent correction. It has corrected from a high of 228 per share in November last year to 210 per share now. It made somewhere around 188 on 90 low, which was a correction of about 15% from its high. Not more than that, right? Market corrected so massively from 18,860 to about 1500 something, but the stock didn't correct as much, right? So now with this, I'm going to take you to the graph which I have opened for you, and we will be talking about this stock, which is BEL, Bharat Electronics. So have a look at this stock, right? If you see, almost like ever since market started correcting, जब से market correct हुआ November से, the stock has not majorly corrected, right? It has made a low of 190 as a strong support zone, right? Stock का 190 पे एक बहुत strong support बना हुआ है और 228 और 230 के ऊपर जाते ही ये stock जो है sky rocket करेगा. अगर मैं आपको weekly time frame में भी दिखाती हूँ तो ये stock का consolidation zone है, और मैं अगर इसको आपको मंथली टाइम जोन में भी दिखाती हूँ तो स्टॉक एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग टेरिटरी में खड़ा हुआ है, और इस जगह के 228 के ऊपर जाते ही ये अनचार्टेड टेरिटरी में हो जाएगी, और इसके बाद मेरा इसके लिए जो नेक्स्ट टारगेट है for the next 2-3 years is going to be 500, right? The stock looks, almost taking a stance to take a big leap, right? Big leap of faith, and that is what I'm expecting it to give us. So this is a stock where I will be investing personally. I have today also made some money in this particular stock, BEL. I bought its call option. I made about 73,900 rupees, but tomorrow I'm going to enter into it in a positional manner. Like this was a call option that I bought, but I'm going to buy its equity tomorrow. So so once again, if you have a look at it, there has been a long consolidation started from September. Now if the breakout comes, it is going to be a massive breakout, right? So get ready for the stock to give you a massive return. In case you are a FNO trader, if you want to trade in futures, you can buy its April or May future. Let me just have a look whether the May future exists or not. But you got to hedge your trade, right? You got to hedge your trade. You cannot. So May future also exists. The longer the horizon, the better your profitability will be. You can go for May futures. 2.5 months is good to give you good returns. So BEL is what my trade is going to be for tomorrow and for next 1.5 month to next 2 months in FNO segment. And if I'm talking about cash, then it's going to be a trade for the next 2 to 3 years. And I'm expecting a return from 227 to 500. Almost the double is what I'm expecting, slightly more than double. I'm expecting it to at least become in next 2 to 3 years. So this is my research completely, and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share it with others. All the best, guys. Take care. See you in the next video.